You're watching Insight, a North Shore School's instructional technology episode. Hi folks, I'm Nathan, and today we're going to take a look at how you can use your Avermedia camera to capture images directly onto your computer using the Avervision software. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll need is to have your document camera set up. You'll just need to make sure it's plugged into power, and then you'll plug in a USB both to the document camera and then also plug the other end into your computer. Once that's set up and your document camera is on, you can fire up Avervision. The easiest way to find that is to go to your Spotlight, do a Spotlight search for it, just type in Avervision, and when you get halfway there, it'll probably show up as the first hit. Avervision 2 is the one that works. Click on that. Good. And there we have, it's showing now what's in front of the document camera. We can actually control the zoom on the document camera right down here. Okay. And if we want to go full screen, you can go up to the View Full Screen, or you can just press Command F, and that'll go full screen as well. Now it's just like having your document camera set up, except that it's all controllable through your computer. So I can zoom that back out, and I can also control it from the document camera itself if I want. The nice thing about this is if I want to capture some student work, I can click on this camera button and a picture is taken and saved to my computer. And I'm going to tell this to save it to my desktop. I'll call it Tiger. Save. And now I have on my desktop this image that I took from my document camera. Now where this becomes really useful is when we start using it with Active Inspire. So I'm going to go ahead and set this full screen again, Command F. And this is a beautiful piece of student work. And I don't want to destroy it in any way, but I do want to be able to write over it and maybe make some notes or kind of take it apart with my class. And so I put it under the document camera, and I'll switch over to Inspire, pressing Command Tab to switch my applications while staying on full screen. Okay, and there's two ways to do this. I can just take a quick picture of what's underneath there by using my desktop tools. So I'll click on my desktop tools, hides everything else, and using my desktop tools menu, I can select the area that I want. So let's just grab that right there, and I'll send that to the current page. Okay, and then I can hop back into my flip chart, and I have captured some student work. And that took me, maybe about 10 seconds. Now I can, resize this, and I can write on it and highlight it to my heart's content. The other option that I have is to use my desktop annotation tool. So I'm going to go ahead and press that button, and that's going to hide my flip chart. And now whatever I have under the document camera will be live right here for us to write on. So we can continue doing our annotations and writing on top of things. We can flip to the next page here. When we flip to the next page here, and it clears out the annotations, and we can continue writing in that manner. Now it's keeping track of all the annotations. So if I want to go back, I can flip that page back. And I can even go back to the previous. Flip the page here. Flip the page in my flip chart. And it's keeping track of all those annotations as well. So there's two different ways that you can be capturing images with your Avermedia camera and writing on them without actually destroying the product that you're looking at. For more insights, please visit www.nst.org/insight.